area of a trapezoid. Area of the trapezoid is 1/2 times the height times the top plus the bottom. So this can look as area is equal to 1/2 h a plus b. Now the a could be the top or the bottom, and b could be the top or the bottom. Just one has to be one of those of each. So now the bases must be parallel. And then the height connects the two bases. And now the height must meet both bases at a right angle. So we're looking at, we have two parallel lines. This could be an R. So this could be our trapezoid. So we have our A and our B. This is our height. And this height meets both bases and it forms right angles. Now, parallel, just to go make sure we go over this, is when two lines run equal distance apart without getting closer or farther away from each other. So these must be parallel. Now let's do an example. Example 1. Here we have our trapezoid. So we have a height of 9. We can make this the top and this will be our bottom. So let's go ahead and fill in our formula. So we have area is equal to 1/2 times the height, which is 9. Now we have A plus B. So A can be 10, and then B can be 16. That can be on the bottom. So area is equal to 1/2 times 19. Now 10 plus 16 is 26. So then we get our calculators out. Go 26 times 19, which is 494. We divide this by 2, as it's the same thing as being multiplied by 1/2, because we get 247 inches squared. Now let's do another example. Example 2. We need to find the area of this support gusset. So we have a height of 4 inches. We have a top. We have a bottom that run parallel, and this forms right angles. So with our formula, we'd go 1/2 times the height, which is 4, A plus B, so 7 plus 9. Now, this is equal to 1/2, 4, 7 plus 9 is 16. Now, we could have done this all in the calculator, where we would have done 7 plus 9, which is 16, times 4, which is 64, divided by 2, and we get 32. So our area is equal to 32 inches squared.